Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about how to get an extreme glow up by listening to subliminals. Now, a lot of you guys in my last two videos were saying how much of a glow up I've had. You ain't seen nothing yet. You guys are saying how much I'm actually physically glowing. What did I do? And I replied to one of the comments and I said, look, I don't do anything but listen to glow up subliminals. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I made the most of listening to the glow up subliminals and how it actually manifested in my life, because there's a story behind it. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to check out my Manifest Your SP course, my Perfect Self-Concept course, or my Game of Alignment course. If any of those sound interesting to you, go on ritakaminski.com/courses. The information will also be in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. And if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, that's also at ritakaminski.com/coaching or in the description box down below and the pinned comments. The same for collective coaching, or you can just click the join button right next to my name here on YouTube. Subscribe to my vlog channel because I have been posting every single day in there. You get to see behind the scenes of my life, and I would love to have you over there. I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best, and with that, let's get into it. So I haven't been one for listening to glow up subliminals myself because, to be honest, I have such a high self-concept that I was always saying I'm perfect and I know that I'm perfect in every single way. But I started doing it for fun. I started dabbling in it. And what ended up happening was, in the physical world, after listening to glow up subliminals after one day, I joined the gym. I'm taking Pilates classes. I'm dyeing my hair blonde. By the time you're watching this, my hair will already be blonde. I've started eating less. I'm losing weight rapidly. My skin has cleared up. I am motivated to get my lashes done, to get my nails done regularly. I came across Mina on TikTok. If you guys don't know, Skinny Talk right now is popping and it's really motivating me to lose weight. Instantly, within one day, everything fell into place in a way where I realized I wanted to go blonde. I wanted to lose weight. It's easy for me to eat well. It's easy for me to not drink. It's easy for me to go and get my nails done or my lashes done, whereas before it was just sort of like a chore to me. Now it's fun. It ends up happening naturally. And before all of the rats come into the video and say, yeah, but you can just affirm and like it can all just happen. It can just fall in your lap. Yes, it can. However, we want to work with ourselves, okay? Do you want this manifestation, or do you just want to, or would you rather just practice being a master manifester? In that case, all speed ahead, but my priority right now is a glow up. So all I had to do was listen to subliminals and a fire lit under my ass. I want to go to the gym now. It feels unnatural not to. I want to dye my hair and all of the other things. It just so happened that my skin cleared up. I feel more glowy on the inside and on the outside. I started waking up earlier and doing productive things. I've had a glow up on the inside and the outside. If you want to sit in a room and affirm all day and wait for this thing to pop up instantly, it can. All power to you. However, I want to grab my life by the balls, and I'm not forcing myself. This comes from inspired action, because guess what? We're living in a 3D universe. We did not come here as spiritual beings in this 3D reality to just sit in a room and try to manifest and affirm for things to just fall in our lap. That was not the point of this human experience. We are made to put in action. And I'm being again very clear, you don't have to put in action in a way that society has programmed you to. However, there's a difference between trying to force it and do what society is telling you to do and doing it out of pressure, or listening to subliminals or affirming and then you want to grab life by the balls and you're actually excited to go on the treadmill for 60 minutes and it feels like nothing to you. It feels wrong and boring not to. That's what starts happening, not just with weight loss, not just with your glow up, with anything in your life. It will just unfold perfectly. At what point do we just work with what we have and our skills? I can manifest 1 million subscribers without posting any videos. But what would be the point? I want to be a YouTuber to post videos to help you guys. You know what I mean? So just off the bat, you can put action in. Don't make anyone make you feel bad for putting in the work. So what happens? Because I know a lot of you guys listen to subliminals and maybe you're not getting a result or you're not getting that inspired action. What I did was I literally YouTube searched glow up subliminal. What I did was I put in every single glow up subliminal and I prioritized from most watched to least watched. And it's not just by accident that these subliminals get so many views. It's because they work. And I remember that was the biggest thing that I changed in listening to my subliminals. I stayed listening with AirPods. I stayed being consistent. But that was the one big thing that changed. And I would listen to them on a loop, on a loop, on a loop in a playlist that I made. I would get crazy results and inspired action within one day. The other thing is listening to my intuition, because I would also come across videos that didn't have 1 million views. And again, I want to be perfectly clear, that's totally fine. You don't have to just listen to big subliminal makers. You can give smaller subliminal makers a chance, and you will know instantly by how it feels in your body. If you don't feel anything, the subliminal isn't for you. If you feel icky or you get a headache, I don't believe that the subliminal is for you. It's best not to risk it. But after I saved a bunch of them on my playlist, I would get so many more recommended glow up subliminals that almost seemed like they were hidden and they were kept secret. But all of the comments were like, what the hell? I totally glue up with this. Glue up. You can also listen to my glow up subliminal. It is almost at 3 million views. It's one of the most viewed glow up subliminals in YouTube history. You can listen to all of the other ones. You can mix and match, find one that you like and listen to it every single night overnight with AirPods in. That's also what I want to say. And after one day, you will begin noticing changes in your body, in your skin, in your face, in your hair, your eyes. You'll start feeling an internal shift too, like you want to park a little bit further away so you can walk a little bit more, or you choose to not have that extra fries or whatever it is. And that stuff adds up, and it can also be a placebo effect, which will make you skinny as well. You'll come across YouTubers, TikTokers, people on the street, maybe friends, your mom giving you actual helpful advice in how you can glow up. And it will be this easy and seamless process without you having to put in any of the work. Trust you me. I really am so excited for you in your glow up journey. I can't wait to see you looking even more snatched than you already are. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with anyone who needs it, whether it is a friend or someone in a group, whether it's X, Tumblr, Facebook. Hit the bell notification so you never miss out on a daily upload from me, and I post fire content every single day. And I hope you have a beautiful day and a beautiful, easy, seamless, effortless, quick glow up. And you will. Bye everyone.